Hey everyone, in this video I will walk you through the process of setting up two EC2 instances in AWS, and we are going to include user data scripts to automate setup right from the start. Whether you are spinning up web servers or just testing things out, this is a great way to get hands-on with EC2, and it's easier than you might think. So let's get started. So real quick, what is EC2? It stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. Think of it as your virtual machine in the cloud. You can run apps, host websites, pretty much anything you would do on a regular computer. And user data, that's a script that runs automatically when your EC2 instance launches. You can use it to install software, update the operating system, or start services. Super useful for automation. Alright, let's launch both EC2 instances in one go. Head to your AWS Management Console and select the proper region that you want to spin up the EC2. I'm using US West 1. In the top search bar, type EC2 and click on EC2. Now click Launch Instance. Under Name and Tags, call your instance. I'm gonna name mine Web Server Fleet, and change the number of instances under the summary to 2. Scroll down to select AMI Amazon Machine Image. I'm going to use Amazon Linux and click on Free Tier Eligible. Scroll down to Instance Type and select T2 Micro, also Free Tier Eligible. Scroll down to Key Pair. I'm going to select Proceed without Key Pair for the simplicity, and scroll down. Under security group, we're going to create security group allowing HTTP traffic. Then scroll down, leave the storage as is, and under advanced details, expand the arrow and scroll down all the way to user data. Under user data, paste this code. It's a simple user data. I'm going to provide it in the description below. This script does few things. Updates packages, install Apache, create a basic home page showing the instance hostname, enables and start Apache all automatically right when the instance boots up. Click Launch Instance. Scroll down to view all instance. Instance state running. Status check initializing. I'm gonna wait for a few seconds or minutes until fully completed. So I'm gonna pause the video and I come back. And meanwhile, I'm gonna change the name of this one to Web Server Fleet A and the other one Web Server Fleet B, just to keep things clear. Now everything is good. Now click on the first instance, copy the public IP address and paste it on a new web browser. You should see a page like this with the IP address, this one. So let's check it out. I'm gonna resize the page so you can see my AWS console and the web page on the same screen. Now I resize my screen to show my AWS web console on the left and two web pages, one on top of each other. The one is displaying the IP address right here, and we're gonna go to the second instance, this instance. Click on it and get the public IP address again and paste it here as well. Now let me resize it so you can see both. So this is the IP address for the second one right here, and this IP address for the first one. And there you have it. You just launched two EC2 instances automated with user data scripts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.